Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use custom font on your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so sometimes it's required to use custom font because in GoHighLevel default font library they have some fonts available as well as some Google fonts. But to make your design good looking or unique, you may need some time to use custom font. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use custom font on your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so let me get started. And you can see here we added a custom font. Okay, here. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. Okay, so first of all, go to your membership areas from the dashboard of your GoHighLevel account. Okay, click on memberships and then create a membership. Just hover over this create product button and click here start from scratch. Okay, so it will give you the option to create a membership, and you can see here we already created one of them, custom fonts library for GHL. Okay, and once you create it, then just go inside it and then click product structure. Okay, click on it and create a category. In this case we already created add custom fonts in GHL page as our category, and under the category create a lesson. Okay, just click this plus icon and add a lesson, and we also did that. Our lesson name is custom fonts. Okay, so once you do this, then just enter into it, and then here just let me show you what you need to do. Okay, here you can see the option, okay, to upload a file. Okay, in this case we already have some files, and then what you need to do, just join our GHL SaasKits community. Okay, which is this, and then go to the learning tab. Okay, inside the learning tab you will see these free courses. Okay, so custom fonts library for GHL. Okay, just open it and then you will see a code snippet there which is completely free. Okay, so click on custom font, and then here you will see this code snippet. Okay, you can access it completely free, and then you will also get the download source for thousands of different fonts as well as the converter. Okay, just click on it and download your custom font. Okay, so select the category and then just add your font. Okay, so in this case we already have uploaded this font, but I am going to show you one more. Okay, so let's say we are going to use this one. Okay, just click the download. Okay, you can choose any of the font. Okay, and then once downloaded, then you will see a downloaded file like this. Okay, let me go back and open the downloaded font. Okay, here is it. Okay, so inside that folder you will see the font name and the format is TTF. Okay, so what you need to do, just go back to the members area and then click here font converter. Okay, just click to this font converter, and from here just find TTF and then WOFF2. Okay, so select this, and then I already have converted one, so you will get this like this. Okay, so select the font you just downloaded. Okay, like this. Okay, this is the font I downloaded. Just open it and then click the convert button, and it will be update, and yeah, the process is finished, and now you can download your font. Okay, so once you downloaded the font, you will see the same font actually changed the format. Okay, so it's now WOFF2. Okay, so go back to your membership area. Okay, you just create it and then add files. Click here and then upload the font you just created. Okay, so here's the font. Okay, now upload it. Click here upload. Okay, that's fine, it's uploaded, that's good, and then save. Okay, once you save, then preview the membership area you just created. Okay, just click here, and then you will see your font here. Okay, so you need to do this in your GoHighLevel. Okay, but by joining our GHL SaasKits community, you will get the code snippet as well as the free download source of different fonts as well as the converted link. Okay, and then what you need to do, just copy this code from here. Okay, just copy this code and go back to your page builder. Okay, open the custom CSS option and put the code here. Okay, like this, and save it. Go back to the membership area you just created, and then from there just right click on the font you just upload it, and then copy link address. Okay, like this, just click here and then go back to the page builder. Okay, open the custom CSS and replace this custom font URL, okay, with the URL you just copied, and also just copy the font name. Here is the font name, just copy it and then go back to the code. Okay, and everywhere it says a font name, change it with your font name. Okay, like this, just double click, select and do this. Okay, so and after that, once you're done, just save. And one more last thing you need to do. Okay, select the text you want to apply the custom font, and then go to the advanced tab and scroll down a bit. Okay, so in this case it's not showing anything. Let me reload the page. Okay, the page reloaded. Okay, sometimes it's happened when you add custom code into GoHighLevel page builder. Okay, so don't worry, just select the font. Okay, after reload the page and go to the advanced tab, and then from custom class add the class name. Okay, the name you added into the code. Okay, so here the same class. Okay, you can see here, once we applied the class, the font changed, okay, to the custom font. Okay, so let me publish this and then I'll preview. If everything goes well, then we should have the custom font showing on our page. Okay, so yeah, here's it. So this way you can actually add any font you want to add on your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so the step is you need to create a members area first, then upload the download the font, okay, from this source. Otherwise, if you have any other source, or if you already have the downloaded version of the font, then just convert it to WOFF2 version by using this converter. Okay, so this is completely free converter. Okay, you just need to go to cloudconvert.com and then just select the format you want to do. Otherwise, you can also click this link directly from the members area, and then go to the same link and select your version, okay, the format, and then upload the font, download it, and then upload it back to your members area. Just save the members area and just preview it and get the link as well as the code. Okay, so the code you will find into our code library. Okay, so which is completely free. You can join our GHL SaasKits community. Let me show you the community just in a moment. Well, here is the community. Okay, you just need to join. You will get the link right into the description of this video. Okay, to join the community. Otherwise, you can go to GHL SaasKits. Okay, GHLSaasKits.com, and then you can get community link here. Also, you can check our report if you want to purchase our code snippet, and you can also do this, okay, by going to the pricing section. We have the monthly plan and yearly plan, and also for now we have the lifetime deal also. Okay, you can also get it. Anyway, you just need to join our community. Okay, as I said, it's completely free, and then you can go to the learning tab, okay, and the font library, okay, which is free, and then grab the code snippet and you can use it to your custom font option. Okay, So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, or if you have anything to say, then just feel free to comment into the video. And also, if you want to get our all code snippet, okay, we have hundreds of different code snippet. If you want to join there, you can use all of them. Just need to upgrade your account, or you need to buy the premium version of our GHL code snippet library. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching this. Have a nice